Good morning. Our team name is Shivaji. We are from Shivaji Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, Amravati, Maharashtra. Our project name is Water Quality Analysis using Arduino. We use some sensors like pH sensor, turbidity sensor and TDS sensor in this unit. We use this LCD display and we connected all these sensors to this Node MCU S32S. We used pin analog 32 for turbidity sensor and pin analog 34 for TDS sensor and pin analog 36 for this pH sensor, and HCl and SDA, these I2C pins are used for this LCD display. The microcontroller is of 300 rupees, pH sensor is of 350 rupees, turbidity sensor is of 150 rupees, TDS sensor is of 100 rupees and LCD display is about 80 rupees. So all the unit is of 1000 rupees. In this prototype, water sample should be analysis of such drill well. Regarding this physical and chemical characteristic like turbidity index, TDS and pH of water sample. In this bowl, it's a drinking water. Now we can check the turbidity, pH and TDS of drinking water. So we can see the turbidity of pure water. We put turbidity sensor in pure water. Turbidity should not more than 5 NTU. So this water is safe for drinking. Now we put pH sensor in pure water. The pH of normal water is 6.5 to 8.5. Then we put TDS sensor in pure water. TDS level is up to 300 ppm. So this water is safe for drinking. Now we can put all this sensor in impure water. We can see that all the values are rapidly increasing. So this water is not safe for drinking. After the complete analysis, results should have been sent to Sarpanch of that village or concerned water authority officer's mobile, Android app through IoT. Now we can see the values of impure water on the mobile app. These values must be increases. If they found that drinking water is not potable, efforts should have to take for clean and potable water to maintain good health of village population. In this way, we can provide safe drinking water for villagers. We will give this prototype to the Gram Panchayat of village. So the concerned water supplier officer of the Gram Panchayat will check the quality of water in the tank using this unit. So on the spot, they will check the quality of water and take proper action. And all the data about drinking water will send to the mobile phones of concerned authority officer through cloud and using IoT. They can also know that water is checked or not regularly. In this way, we can provide safe drinking water for the villagers. Thank you.